Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 11th, 2024. I hope everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because the weather you got. 1, 2, 3. All right. For your Friday, we're going to take a look at them as well. So that way you get a chance to see what's going in that weather department. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map. As pretty much the states will be covered in some kind of the area. So yes, we'll see that here in just a few minutes. For today, also the overview forecast as well. We're going to take a look at that also in today's video. Storm reports as well. It's pretty much as you can see here. Here is the enhanced slight risk, also marginal risk in the green. We'll be discussing that in today's video. We're going to go through the watches, MDS, storm report, fire weather, all that good stuff in today's video as well. And also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Friday, as there has been a few changes to the updated forecast for this area of the southeast. The enhanced risk has shrunken, as you can see now. The only weather, so we'll be talking about that and also giving out the cities and locations as well. Subscribing, love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and today is my 1-year anniversary being on YouTube. I have made it to 1 year on YouTube here. Can't believe I've been on YouTube for over a year now. Today marks for almost 600 people. And I hope to get another 600 by, hopefully I'll get another 600 by the end of the year coming up. Hopefully sometime by the end of the year. Hopefully I'll get another across the Gulf of Mexico, down across the southeast, and then out into the Atlantic coastal waters. We have a little system over the northeast United States. Got another system over. Hopefully it'll come up here and back into Missouri and also eastern Oklahoma. We've got thunderstorms and showers in Louisiana, back into Idaho, back into portion of California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado. Far south is Oklahoma. Got severe thunderstorm possible from Mississippi, Alabama, northern Georgia. Northern Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, with some severe thunderstorm possible there, with thunderstorms and showers in the Gulf of Mexico, all the way up the Atlantic coast in the coastal water region. We got more mixed Washington State, like I said, down in the California with some pretty quiet at this Michigan, back down to Pennsylvania, West Virginia, North Carolina, well down to the North Carolina border. More snow flying over here in portion of New Mexico and Oregon State. Some heavy snow possible over Oregon, Idaho, and also into Nevada. Maybe a little bit along the California mountain range. Showers extending from southwest Oregon through western the Gulf of Mexico. More showers up here in portions of Maryland, Delaware, back up to New Hampshire, Rhode Island. Mixed precipitation up here in Pennsylvania, back into Maine. Maybe some freezing rain over a portion of New Brunswick area. And like I said, heavy precipitation, snow across western Michigan as well. Elsewhere, it looks pretty. Going here in a minute. Always love acting up, I see. But anyway, here's the forest in the yellow. General thunderstorm pretty much portions of. Alright, that's pretty much what you just saw. Alright, do we have any current watches in effect? Currently no MDS discussion. Kansas. Storm report, weather, a little bit of elevated fire weather. Alright, let's see if we can get back to the Watches Warning Advisory map, and then we'll take a look at tomorrow's forecast for severe weather across the south and southeastern U.S. This might be a 50-minute video because it's taking a while to get everything up. Alright, but like I said, we got a lot of discussion on this one here. We got from the Northeast United States, storm watches in effect for New York State, lake effect snow warning, high wind warning, winter weather advisory for New York State, and also into portions of Pennsylvania. We got flood watches in effect for Connecticut, Boston, all the way down into western North Carolina, River Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, from areas of Pennsylvania through Ohio back to areas of Missouri, also in Oklahoma, Texas, to Louisiana, to portions of the Carolinas, Georgia, Alabama, northern high wind warnings for West Texas, also in the portions of New Mexico. Wind advisory is also in effect there as well for New Mexico and Arizona. We got a lot of winter storm warnings in effect, winter storm watching, winter weather advisory stretching from Michigan all the way Nebraska, Kansas region as well. We got wind chill watches in effect there as well for Kansas, also North Texas, also into portions of Colorado. Wind chill warnings also in effect up here in the north. Also, also as well, winter storm warnings over here in portions of Montana, Idaho, Oregon, Washington State. Special weather statements there. Winter storm watches also in effect for there, California. Blizzard warnings also for Iowa, portion of Illinois, and frost advisory to the south. Freeze warnings in effect for central and frost advisory as well in the California as well. Like I say, wind chill warnings also in effect for North Dakota, Minnesota. Wind chill advisory is also in effect there as well. So we got lots and lots of weather departments, lots and lots of weather going on. Across Alaska, we got them winter weather advisory, winter storm warning along coastal areas as well. Also down in the Hawaiian Chain Island, got the small craft advisory around the island. We got small craft advisories. Also, like I said, we got flood watches, flood warnings, also in effect for the Hawaiian Chain Island as well. Small Advisories. Alright, you can see here general thunderstorm from portion of New York State. Soon as I say something. Now take 20 minutes. We're gonna end the video. So alright. Well, I'm about to end the video. But anyway, if you live in the southeastern United States, just be on the lookout for severe weather. Like I said, we got a marginal risk, slight risk in it from North Carolina all the way back into Mississippi, Alabama. We have enhanced risk over Alabama back into Mississippi. And like I said, everybody